Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, April 13, 2021. Yesterday, the markets closed strong. Today, we are pushing new highs again. We continue to trade higher for what feels like the past 2 weeks as we've just been going up, and that is continuing again this morning and into the afternoon session. So what we're going to be looking at this afternoon in Discover is what has happened historically when yesterday closed at a 52-week high and you're trading above that high as you head into the end of the day. So let me go ahead and set this up. I've got all four instruments selected here. We've got a time-based entry of 3 p.m. Set here, and I'm going to use a post-open filter that says at 3 p.m. we are trading above yesterday's high. So I'm going to go ahead and hit equals here for above prior high. And then in the price pattern section, I'm going to say yesterday closed at a 52-week high close. So I'm going to grab that in the new highs section from the active today location over here. It's found within this category, new highs. If I scroll down a little bit, you'll see that option is available there if you want to build this out manually, but I like using the active today because it is simple. And lastly, I'm going to add above a 10 and 200 day simple moving average, and then click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at the close, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when yesterday closed at a 52-week high, and you're trading above that session's high at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. This is taking place above a 10 and 200 day simple moving average. Now, historically, we've got 191 samples in the S&P, 209 in the NASDAQ. We've got 194 in the Dow, 125 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates on these, they're really not very impressive. The S&P just coming in at 53%, the NASDAQ very neutral, 51%. The Dow is the strongest of the group at 57%, and the Russell 55%. And average moves here, average win, average loss. Average win is larger than the average loss in the S&P. They're very similar in size for the NASDAQ and for the Dow. And the Russell, the average win is a little bit larger. But this is not really a long-term strong pattern that's been playing out year after year. You can see how flat that equity curve is until just recently is where it's really started to take off to the upside. Here's the S&P equity curve. You can see since about 2017 or so, it has gotten stronger and has been really strong over the past year or so. Looks like 63% there for the past year, 67% for the past 6 months. Last quarter, it looks like 7 samples, 86% of those have closed higher. So for whatever reason, just recently, it has been a lot stronger. And if you guys have access to this platform, I'd encourage you to look at the post-open filter if you're trading below the prior close, so below that 52-week high close. There's some interesting biases in there, which is really what I was hoping to share this afternoon, but the market has kind of changed since I started looking at what I was going to share, and that one was much more interesting than this one is, but I'm sure we'll have another day to share that with you. But anyway, I hope you found this helpful. As a reminder, we do have a webinar tomorrow where we will be looking at our auto trading program, showing you how you can take part in that auto trading program if you would like. We'll be sharing the results, which have been stellar this year, and we will have all kinds of other information that you might be interested in if you are interested in trading. So that is available at the link below. You can sign up there and register for the webinar that will be tomorrow after the close. So have a good one, guys. We will see you tomorrow.